Welcome back and welcome to another Do Homework with Me, Algebra 1. If you do not have the same material, that's fine because all the essentials are the same, just arrangement are different. Okay, before we get started, I have this Bible verse to share with you. It is from Acts 3:6. Silver or gold I do not have, but what I do have I give you. When Peter and John came across the man by the temple courts, they knew that sharing Christ was the greatest gift ever. Then Peter said, "Silver or gold I do not have, but what I do have I give you." Who can you pray for this Christmas? Who can you share Christ with? Heavenly Father, thank you for the gift of Jesus. All right, let us look at our homework. In this section, you only have one, but in classroom we practiced a lot, so I'm pretty confident that you can do this well. I'm also really confident that you know the first step is we need to find the slope. The slope is, let's write down the slope, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. You also know very well in class who is minus who does not matter as long as when you come back you are being consistent. So I'm going to use this minus negative 3. Which means the second time I'm going to come back here, I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to say 12 minus 5. And you know what's coming because I am going to pause and wait for you patiently to find what the slope is for this question. Okay, if you need to, you definitely can pause the video, see if you have this. Okay? All right. And then after you find the slope, let me erase the extra markings here for you. After you find the slope, you can pick a point, and I think most of us want to use this point because you don't have to deal with the decimal again. So remember, this is your x coordinate, this is your y coordinate. When you plug in, just like what we did in the previous part of this lesson and in the previous 2 lessons. Okay? And also in chapter 4, you saw this also in chapter 4. So plug in, this is y, and your slope, put down here slowly, and you write down your x, and then you say, I'm going to find what b is. B is your y-intercept. Once again, you know what's coming because I'm going to pause and wait for you to calculate what the y-intercept is. If you need to, please pause the video. All right, so I hope you find b is 3. Now you have a slope is 1.2, b is 3. The moment of celebration, we can start to write. That is it. All right.